Hey everyone, what you're looking at here is a Litex all-weather, I believe, some kind of outdoor builder ceiling fan from April of 1998. This one's got both of the pull chains, and I put the original blades on this one. And this is the one I oiled this last night while I lubed it with the 3-in-1 motor oil. It's the stuff that's in the white and blue, has a white and blue label, not the black and blue. I mean white. Don't use the. If you're gonna lubricate a ceiling fan's bearings, don't use the black and white labeled bottle. Use the bottle with the blue and white label. Even though the blue and white's slightly harder to find, you can find it at Lowe's, but they're not at Walmart. So we're gonna start this on low, and it's a bit noisy still. I got this fan for free. I wasn't gonna pay for it in this condition. Yeah, the chain's a bit hard to pull. It's making a whirring sound because of the bearings. They got locked up, so I had to lubricate it eventually, right? Oops. That was my iPad case. It's one of those magnetic folding ones. And hi. You notice it has a bit of torque turning the whole thing. It's pretty light. And it's actually starting to blow this fan. Harbor Breeze Baja. Third pull is always hard. Oh, that's my finger. I'm going to be testing this with different blades. And same story with the other one, if it even turns on, because the fan pull chain's broken on it. There's no chain, basically. It's going to have a quick spin now. Oh wait, let's do reverse. I almost forgot. Almost forgot. see, it's quite rusty. Ugh. Yeah, that's not the easiest thing to pull. Got a quick spin down because the bearings, if they stay this noisy, I might lube them again. This thing doesn't have a nozzle part that you can stick out, so you can't be very precise. So I had to literally turn a fan over and pour it and drip it in there where I wanted it to go. See? That's sort of in the spin down of my Littleton. Well, this is the Litex all-weather from April 1998. Just set it back to forward. See you next time.